In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename labels on WhatsApp Web. Renaming labels can be an excellent way to keep your chats organized and ensure you can find the conversations you're looking for quickly and efficiently. Whether you're using labels for personal or professional reasons, renaming them to suit your needs can make your experience with WhatsApp more personalized and stress-free. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to WhatsApp Web. Open your preferred web browser and visit the WhatsApp web page. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to scan the QR code using the WhatsApp app on your phone. This connects your phone to the web version, allowing you to access all your messages, contacts, and settings directly from your computer. Once you're in, you'll notice several interface components designed for ease of use. Look for the left side panel, which usually contains your list of chats. If you've utilized labels before, these will show up in this area as well. Labels are a great feature that help you categorize chats, making important conversations easy to focus on without searching through endless threads. Now, to rename a label, you need to locate it first. It should be listed among your chats and appear as a tag next to some conversation entries. Find the label you're interested in renaming and hover over it with your cursor. You should see 3 small dots appearing right by the label. Those 3 dots serve as a gateway to additional options and settings for that label. Click on these 3 dots. This action will open a small drop-down menu, giving you access to a few different settings related to the label you're about to edit. From these options, select Edit. Selecting Edit informs WhatsApp Web that you want to make changes specifically to this label's name. Once you've clicked Edit, a text box will appear, allowing you to input your new desired label name. Here's your chance to be creative or pragmatic, perhaps changing New Clients to 2023 Clients for better distinction. Carefully type in the new name. It might be helpful to keep label names concise and descriptive, as this makes them more efficient to scan at a glance. After typing your new name, ensure that everything looks correct. Double check for typos or unintended wording. When you're satisfied with the revision, click the confirmation button to save your changes. That's it. You've just successfully renamed a label on WhatsApp Web. Renaming labels can help keep your messaging environment organized and more aligned with your evolving needs. Remember, you can repeat these steps anytime you feel the need to rename labels as your priorities or projects change. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has made your WhatsApp web experience just a little bit better.